Simplify rental operations and room cleaning with Steegle's free rental management app. As AppSheet innovators, Steegle understands that traditional bookkeeping is a paper-driven, manual process that is slow, error-prone, and inefficient. Even leading platforms such as Entrata, Rent Manager, MRI Software, and Resman burden users with high costs, complicated onboarding, and limited flexibility. Steegle's rental management app provides a streamlined, free AppSheet starter solution with essential features to get you up and running quickly. On the left is the list of rooms with status indicators to identify whether rooms are available, occupied, checked out, or in need of cleaning. In the middle, you can view and manage the booking details of a client. On the right, there is a live snapshot view of sales, available rooms, expenses, profit, sales by building, and occupancy rates. For this demo, we'll show an example of a room booking process. To check in a visitor, we first look for available rooms and select one. Next, we add the client's booking details, such as the number of people called PAX, check-in and check-out dates, and mode of payment. After that, we confirm the check-in, so the status updates to occupied. Once the client's stay is finished and they return the room key, we check them out and mark the room for cleaning. After cleaning, the room service team performs an inspection. Once everything is cleared, the room is marked as available, and the cycle repeats. If you want us to customize it for your business, we'll build it for you, tailor it to your brand, provide ongoing support for your app, integrate it with your workflow, and ensure it complies with the standards you need. With the Rental Management app, you can track room availability, manage bookings, monitor live performance metrics, and oversee cleaning tasks, all in one dashboard. Best of all, it's free, built by Steegle on AppSheet, and ready to transform how you manage rentals and room cleaning. Get the free AppSheet template provided in the description below.